Welcome to BricsCAD Sheet Metal. Let's explore the user interface. The ribbon on the top of the screen gives you fast access to the most used tools. Many top-level tools offer submenus. Hover over the icon, left-click, and hold. The submenu will fly out to show the additional tools. Next, hover your cursor over any model element, and the quad cursor menu will appear. Move your cursor onto the quad button. The quad opens and shows you the tools that you can use on the selected element. The panel on the left side of your screen is the mechanical browser. It gives you access to sheet metal features and their properties in your model.